What year did the Vietnam War end? 1973, 1975 or 1977? The correct answer is 1975. Which artist is known for the song Thriller? Prince, Michael Jackson or Madonna? The correct answer is Michael Jackson. Who played Homer Smith in Lilies of the Field? Sidney Poitier, James Edwards or Canada Lee? The correct answer is Sidney Poitier. Who was the famous actress in Breakfast at Tiffany? Marilyn Monroe, Audrey Hepburn or Elizabeth Taylor? The correct answer is Marilyn Monroe. What was the most popular type of dance in the 1950s? Twist, JV or swing? The correct answer is twist. Which president announced his resignation in 1974? Lyndon B. Johnson, Richard Nixon or Gerald Ford? The correct answer is Richard Nixon. What year was the first Super Bowl play? 1965, 1967 or 1969? The correct answer is 1967. What toy became a huge craze in the 1970s? Rubik's Cube, Tamagotchi or Hula Hoop? The correct answer is Rubik's Cube. Who was the original host of the Tonight Show? Steve Allen, Johnny Carson or Jack Paar? The correct answer is Steve Allen. Which famous movie featured the quote, "Here is looking at you, kid, Gone with the Wind," Casablanca or Citizen Kane? The correct answer is Casablanca. What was the first James Bond movie? Dr. Number, Goldfinger or From Russia with Love? The correct answer is Dr. Number. Who performed at the 1969 Woodstock Festival? The Beatles, Jimi Hendrix or the Rolling Stones? The correct answer is Jimi Hendrix. Which book series features the character Nancy Drew? The Hardy Boys, Sweet Valley High or Nancy Drew Mystery Stories? The correct answer is Nancy Drew Mystery Stories. What space mission first landed humans on the moon? Apollo 11, Apollo 12 or Apollo 13? The correct answer is Apollo 11. Walk Don't Run 1966 was which actor's last film? Cary Grant, James Cagney or John Standing? The correct answer is Cary Grant. Who was known as the king of rock and roll? Buddy Holly, Elvis Presley or Chuck Berry? The correct answer is Elvis Presley. What television show was set in Korea during the war? Mas Hogan Heroes or MC Hell's Navy? The correct answer is Mas. Which actress starred in Some Like It Hot? Grace Kelly, Marilyn Monroe or Sophia Loren? The correct answer is Marilyn Monroe. What was the popular hairstyle for men in the 1950s? crew cut, pompadour, or mullet? The correct answer is pompadour. Who was the famous singer of My Way? Frank Sinatra, Dean Martin, or Sammy Davis Jr.? The correct answer is Frank Sinatra. What decade did the TV show Star Trek debut? 1950s, 1960s, or 1970s? The correct answer is 1960s. Who was the first female Prime Minister of the UK? Margaret Thatcher, Angela Merkel, or Indira Gandhi? The correct answer is Margaret Thatcher. What was the popular soda introduced in 1982? Sprite, Diet Coke, or Pepsi Free? The correct answer is Diet Coke. Which 1970s TV show featured the Cunningham family, or In the Family, Happy Days, or the Brady Bunch? The correct answer is Happy Days. What year did the first man orbit the Earth? 1960, 1962, or 1961? The correct answer is 1961. Kermit the Frog first TV debut was in 1966, 1955, or 1977? The correct answer is 1955. What was the name of John Lennon's wife? Yoko Ono, Linda McCartney, or Pattie Boyd? The correct answer is Yoko Ono. What popular board game involves world domination? Stratego, Risk, or Monopoly? The correct answer is Risk. Who was the first African American to play Major League Baseball? Hank Aaron, Jackie Robinson, or Willie Mays? The correct answer is Jackie Robinson. What famous music festival was held in 1969? Monterey Pop Festival, Woodstock, or Altamont Free Concert? The correct answer is Woodstock. Thanks for playing this quiz. Drop in your score in comments, please.